Welcome to the summary of Evolve Your Brain by Dr. Joe Dispenza. What if the key to healing your body, breaking old habits, and creating a new future isn't outside of you, but inside your brain? In the book Evolve Your Brain, author Dr. Joe Dispenza reveals how your thoughts, emotions, and experiences shape your biology and behavior. Drawing from cutting edge neuroscience, he shows that you're not hardwired by your past. You are rewired by your choices. This book is a science packed invitation to take control of your mind, activate your potential, and evolve one thought at a time. Key point 1: Thoughts reshape your biology. Every thought triggers a cascade of chemical reactions in the body, whether positive or negative. Each one alters hormones, activates specific brain circuits, and reshapes your biology in real time. Key point 2: The brain is constantly rewiring itself. Thanks to neuroplasticity, your brain isn't fixed. It's malleable, constantly changing based on what you think, feel, learn, and do. Repetition and conscious attention rewire neural pathways. Key point 3: You become what you repeatedly think. Your habitual thoughts create your neurological identity. By focusing attention on new, elevated thoughts, you can literally become a different person, neurologically and biologically. Key point 4: Your emotions are addictive. We can become chemically addicted to emotions like anger, fear, guilt, or sadness. These emotions create predictable chemical responses, which the body begins to crave, like a drug. Key point 5: Stress keeps you stuck. Living in constant stress locks you in survival mode, reducing your ability to learn, grow, or heal. Chronic stress disrupts your body's natural balance and leads to disease and degeneration. Key point 6: The frontal lobe is your evolutionary advantage. Your frontal lobe gives you the power to observe yourself, make conscious choices, and override emotional programs from the past. It is the CEO of the brain, the seat of free will and change. Key point 7: Mental rehearsal changes the brain. Just visualizing a new action activates the same neural pathways as physically doing it. Mental rehearsal primes the brain for transformation before a single step is taken in the real world. Key point 8: Your brain doesn't know the difference between real and imagined. The same brain circuits fire whether you imagine something vividly or experience it physically. This is the secret of using visualization to build new neural networks and beliefs. Key point 9: To evolve, you must become greater than your environment. You're not a victim of your surroundings. True change happens when you think and act beyond your current circumstances, when you lead with intention, not reaction. Key point 10: Breaking the habit of being yourself is essential. To transform, you must challenge the neural patterns that have defined your personality. That means unlearning automatic behaviors, thoughts, and emotional reactions from the past. Key point 11: Gene expression is not fixed. Your mental and emotional states can turn your genes on or off. Your internal chemistry, driven by thoughts and feelings, determines whether your genes heal or harm you. Key point 12: Change is a biological process, not just a mental one. Real change requires a shift in thought, feeling, and action. When you align all three, you initiate new chemical, neurological, and even genetic pathways, evolving not just your mind, but your entire being. Key point 13: Your brain reflects your past until you rewire it. Your brain stores everything you have thought, felt, and done. Keep repeating the same patterns and you will relive the same reality. To change your life, you must change your mind. Key point 14. Experience turns thought into reality. Thinking starts the change, but experience makes it real. When you apply and feel what you have learned, your brain and body rewire together, turning knowledge into transformation. Key point 15. Your mind can influence your immune system. In a study, rats were conditioned to associate a sweet taste with an immune suppressing drug. Later, just the taste, even without the drug, still suppressed their immune system so severely that some died. This experiment shows that thoughts and associations alone can affect biology, even fatally. In the end, Evolve Your Brain is not just a book, it's a manual for personal transformation. Dr. Joe Dispenza offers scientific proof and practical steps to free yourself from the past and consciously build a new self. By mastering your thoughts, emotions, and habits, you hold the power to evolve, not over generations, but in a single lifetime. The journey begins the moment you decide to think differently. Thank you so much for listening to the audio summary of the book Evolve Your Brain. If you enjoyed listening to the summary, hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more such concise, informative summaries. Your support inspires me to keep creating more such content.